In this video, I'm going to show you how to check tone on Grammarly. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. To check tone on Grammarly, first ensure that you've installed the Grammarly extension on the web browser you're using. Open up your preferred web browser and then in the URL box type in Grammarly extension and press enter. In the search result, pick this first link that says Grammarly for Chrome, and once you do that, you'll end up in this page from where you can easily install the Grammarly extension to your Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome button and then follow through the on-screen prompts. In the Chrome Web Store page, you'll be able to find Grammar Checker and AI Writing application. Click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension in the pop-up to install Grammarly extension on your web browser. Now once it is done, your Grammarly for Chrome is active. You can pin your extension by clicking the extension icon at the top right and click the pin icon right next to Grammarly. Now click the extension and then make sure that all of the features in it are enabled. Once you've successfully installed the Grammarly extension, open up any other website where you can write text, such as Gmail or Facebook. Here I'm going to open up my Gmail account. Now, go ahead and click on the Compose button at the top left just to write in the text and start writing the text in the text box. After you write down the text, look for an emoji icon at the bottom left or in the pop-up. Now, it'll show you a list of possible tones and their confidence score. But remember to write a few sentences since the tone detector needs at least 150 characters to activate. That is how you should be able to check tone on Grammarly. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.